Hey there, parents! Today, I'm going to share why Fatiha and Farman absolutely love Eden House Public School. Now imagine your kids waking up every morning excited for school. That's Fatiha and Farman. They can't wait to meet their friends and dive into their classes. Fatiha loves the creative arts program. She's always talking about her amazing art projects and fun music lessons. The teachers make learning so fun and engaging. She says, "Mom, Dad, I painted a masterpiece today." And Farman? He's all about the science and tech. He's been building robots and exploring cool science experiments. Farman's always buzzing with excitement about what he learned. "I can't wait to show you my new robot," he says with a huge grin. Both kids rave about their teachers. They say their teachers are super supportive and always there to help. The environment at Eden House Public School is just wonderful. It's a place where kids feel safe, happy, and inspired. They're encouraged to be curious and creative. So, if you're looking for a school where your kids will thrive and love learning, Eden House Public School is the place to be. Just ask Fatiha and Farman. They can't stop talking about it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content. See you next time.